Hello, everyone. Welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today, we're going to learn how to write a professional and winning resume for software engineers, and we'll go step by step using a complete real example. I'm going to explain what this type of resume is, why each section matters, what you should write, and I'll also include the full sample in every part so you can follow along easily and confidently. So first, what exactly is a software engineer resume? A software engineer resume is a professional document that highlights your technical skills, programming knowledge, project experience, and your ability to build, improve, and maintain software systems. It's designed to show employers that you can solve problems, write efficient code, and work well in a team environment. Unlike some other resumes, this one focuses heavily on technical tools, measurable results, and real-world projects. Because in tech, what you can build and improve matters the most. Now let's break everything down step by step. Header and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. Here is the full sample. Ethan Parker, 7314 Willow Bend Drive, San Jose, California 95123. Phone 408-5559-132. Email ethan.parker@email.com. GitHub, github.com/EthanParker. LinkedIn, linkedin.com/in/EthanParker. Now, what should you write here? You always begin with your full name, and it should stand out clearly, usually bold and slightly larger. This is your identity on the resume. Next, include your address, or at least your city and state, followed by your phone number and a professional email address. Avoid casual emails. Always use your real name. Now here's something very important for software engineers. Notice the GitHub and LinkedIn links. GitHub is especially critical because it shows your actual code and projects. Employers often check it to see how you write and structure your work. So the tip here is, if you don't have a GitHub portfolio yet, start building one. Even small projects can make a big difference. Professional summary. Next, we move to the professional summary. Here's the full sample. Results-driven software engineer with 5+ years of experience designing, developing, and deploying scalable web applications. Strong expertise in full-stack development, system optimization, and cloud technologies. Proven ability to deliver high-quality code, improve system performance, and collaborate effectively in agile environments. Let's break this down so you know exactly what to write. The first sentence introduces the candidate. Results-driven software engineer with 5+ years of experience. This tells the employer who you are and how experienced you are. The second part highlights key areas. Designing, developing, and deploying scalable web applications. These are strong action words that show full involvement in the development lifecycle. Then we see strong expertise in full-stack development, system optimization, and cloud technologies. This line lists core strengths. You should always include your main technical focus areas here. Finally, the last sentence focuses on results and teamwork, improving performance and collaborating in agile environments. This is important because companies want engineers who not only code, but also work well with others. For tip, keep your summary to about 3 to 4 sentences and make sure every sentence adds value. Technical skills. Now let's look at the technical skills section. Here is the full sample. Languages: JavaScript, Python, Java, TypeScript, frontend, React, HTML, CSS, Next.js, backend, Node.js, Express, REST APIs. Databases: MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, tools and platforms: Git, Docker, AWS, Jenkins. Other: Agile/Scrum, CI/CD, test-driven development. This section is extremely important in tech resumes. Notice how the skills are grouped into categories. This makes it easier to read and helps recruiters quickly find what they're looking for. For example, programming languages are listed first, then front-end and back-end technologies, then databases and tools. This structure shows clarity and organization, which reflects how you think as a developer. For tip, only list skills you're actually comfortable using. Be honest, because you may be tested on them. Professional experience. Now we move to the most important section, professional experience. First role, software engineer. Technova Solutions, San Jose, California, June 2021 to present. Now let's go through each bullet point carefully. Developed and maintained scalable web applications serving over 100,000 monthly users. This is strong because it shows scale. Numbers make your work more impressive. Improved application performance by 35% through code optimization and database indexing. This shows measurable impact, exactly what employers want. Designed RESTful AP is to support front-end functionality and third-party integrations. This highlights back-end skills and system design. Collaborated with cross-functional teams in agile sprints to deliver features on time. This shows teamwork and understanding of agile workflows. Implemented CI/CD pipelines using Jenkins, reducing deployment time by 40%. This demonstrates efficiency and automation skills. Mentored junior developers and conducted code reviews to ensure best practices. This adds leadership experience, which is a big plus. Now the previous role, junior software developer. CodeBridge Labs, San Francisco, California. May 2019 to May 2021. Key points include built responsive front-end interfaces using React and modern CSS frameworks. Assisted in back-end development using Node.js and Express. Debugged and resolved software defects, improving system stability. Participated in daily stand-ups and sprint planning sessions. This section shows growth from junior to experienced engineer. That career progression is very important. Projects. Now let's talk about projects, which are very important, especially in tech. Here's the full sample. E-commerce web application. Developed a full-stack e-commerce platform using React, Node.js, and MongoDB. Integrated secure payment gateway and user authentication system. Increased simulated user engagement by 50% during testing phase. Task management app. Created a productivity app with real-time updates using Firebase. Implemented drag-and-drop task organization and deadline tracking features. Projects show what you can build independently. Even if you don't have much work experience, strong projects can still get you hired. For tip, always include technologies used and results achieved. Education. Next is education. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. San Jose State University, San Jose, California. Graduated May 2019. GPA 3.6 over 4.0. This section confirms your academic background. Keep it simple and clear. If your GPA is strong, include it. If not, you can leave it out. Certifications. Now we have certifications. AWS Certified Developer. Associate, 2023. Google Professional Cloud Developer, 2022. Certifications are very valuable in tech because they prove your expertise in specific platforms, especially cloud technologies. For tip, always include the year so employers know your knowledge is current. Achievements. Next is achievements. Employee of the Year. Technova Solutions, 2023. Led a team project that reduced system downtime by 25%. Recognized for innovation in internal tool development. This section helps you stand out by showing recognition and impact beyond your daily tasks. References. Finally, we have references. Available upon request. This is a standard and professional way to end your resume. No need to list details unless asked. So to recap, a strong software engineer resume should start with clear and professional contact information. Include a powerful summary that highlights your strengths. List technical skills in a structured and organized way. Show experience with measurable results. Include real projects that demonstrate your abilities. Add education, certifications, and achievements. Remember, in software engineering, your resume should prove one thing: You can build, improve, and deliver real solutions. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching writing tutorials.